The Z-21 helicopter, history, present and future. Introduction. The Z-21 helicopter represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities, particularly in the realm of heavy attack helicopters. This report delves into the Z-21's historical context, its current status and future implications for the People's Liberation Army (PLA). Historical background. The roots of the Z-21 can be traced back to the 1990s when the PLA recognized a growing need for a robust heavy attack helicopter. Initial attempts to procure foreign models, notably the Soviet Mi-24 Hind, were thwarted by the geopolitical upheaval following the collapse of the Soviet Union. Consequently, the PLA relied on the Z-9WA, an armed version of the Z-9 utility helicopter, as a stopgap measure. However, the Z-9WA's limitations underscored the necessity for a dedicated attack platform. The introduction of the Z-10 in 2010 marked a pivotal moment in China's helicopter development, as it became the first true attack helicopter designed and produced domestically. The Z-10 laid the groundwork for future advancements, but the PLA's aspirations for a more powerful and versatile heavy attack helicopter remained unfulfilled. Present status. The Z-21 was officially unveiled in March 2024 through social media channels, generating substantial interest and speculation regarding its capabilities and design lineage. The helicopter is reported to draw inspiration from the Z-20 multi-role helicopter and the Z-10 attack helicopter, amalgamating features from both platforms. Design features. The Z-21 showcases a design philosophy reminiscent of the American AH-64 Apache, with key characteristics including tandem seating. The crew configuration consists of a pilot in the rear and a gunner in the front, enhancing operational efficiency. Armament. A nose-mounted 30mm autocannon is complemented by hardpoints on stub wings capable of carrying various air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including anti-tank missiles and rocket pods. Survivability. The Z-21 incorporates advanced self-defense systems, including infrared suppressors, to reduce its heat signature and improve stealth in contested environments. Reports suggest that the Z-21 may feature similar engine and rotor systems to the Z-20, facilitating more streamlined development and integration. The helicopter's overall dimensions and weight class position it as a formidable asset in the PLA's aerial arsenal. Strategic importance. Analysts view the Z-21 as a critical component in the PLA's operational strategy, particularly concerning potential military actions in Taiwan and territorial disputes in the South China Sea and along the Sino-Indian border. With its enhanced payload capacity and advanced weaponry, the Z-21 is expected to significantly bolster the PLA's airstrike capabilities. Future prospects. The Z-21 is anticipated to enter service within the next 2 to 3 years, aligning with the PLA's strategic timelines. As military tensions in the Indo-Pacific region continue to escalate, the operational deployment of the Z-21 will likely play a crucial role in shaping the balance of power. Potential roles and adaptations. The versatility of the Z-21 suggests it could serve multiple operational roles, including direct attack missions, engaging enemy armored formations and fortifications in ground support operations, maritime operations, adaptation for deployment from naval vessels, enhancing the PLA Navy's capabilities in littoral combat scenarios, reconnaissance and command, utilization as a platform for intelligence gathering and battlefield coordination. Regional implications. The introduction of the Z-21 could catalyze an arms race in the region, prompting neighboring countries to bolster their own military capabilities in response. The potential for increased military presence and activities in sensitive areas like Taiwan and the South China Sea raises the stakes for regional security dynamics. Conclusion. The Z-21 helicopter not only symbolizes China's advancements in military aviation but also reflects the changing geopolitical landscape in the Indo-Pacific region. With its historical roots, current development, and future potential, the Z-21 is poised to become a linchpin in the PLA's air combat strategy, redefining air warfare in the region and beyond. As the Z-21 moves closer to operational readiness, its impact on regional stability and military balance will continue to unfold. The Z-21 helicopter represents a significant evolution in China's military aviation capabilities, particularly in the context of its historical development, present status, and future implications. Historical context. In the 1990s, the People's Liberation Army (PLA) identified a growing need for heavy attack helicopters. Initial attempts to procure foreign aircraft such as the Soviet Mi-24 fell through due to the geopolitical upheaval following the Soviet Union's collapse. The PLA's interim solution was the Z-9WA, an armed variant of the Z-9, which ultimately did not meet long-term operational requirements. The introduction of the Z-10 in 2010 marked a pivotal moment as it became China's first dedicated attack helicopter, reflecting substantial advancements in indigenous military aviation technology. Counterintuitively, despite the Z-10's success, there remained a pressing demand for a heavier attack helicopter, leading to the Z-21's development. This highlights a strategic shift. While the Z-10 was an effective platform, the PLA recognized that a more capable helicopter was essential for modern combat scenarios. Current developments. The Z-21 was publicly revealed in March 2024, showcasing a design that integrates features from both the Z-20 utility helicopter and the Z-10 attack helicopter. The design borrows heavily from the American AH-64 Apache, a helicopter renowned for its battlefield effectiveness. Notably, the Z-21 exhibits a tandem seating arrangement, a chin-mounted autocannon, and a robust payload capacity for various ordnance types. Interestingly, while many sources emphasize the Z-21's resemblance to the Apache, some analysts speculate that it may also draw inspiration from other aircraft such as the Russian Mi-28. This amalgamation of influences underscores China's strategy of adapting successful foreign designs while infusing them with domestic innovations. Reports indicate that the Z-21 incorporates advanced self-defense systems and an infrared suppressor to enhance stealth capabilities. However, there are discrepancies regarding its expected service date, with estimates ranging from late 2024 to 2026. This inconsistency may reflect ongoing development challenges or strategic considerations related to military readiness. Future implications. The Z-21's introduction is perceived as a crucial component of China's military strategy, particularly regarding potential conflicts over Taiwan. Analysts argue that the helicopter will enhance PLA's airstrike capabilities, providing a significant advantage in any military engagement in the region. However, this emphasis on Taiwan belies the broader strategic applications of the Z-21. It is also positioned to play a vital role in conflicts along the India-China border and in the South China Sea. Counterintuitively, while the Z-21 is designed for heavy attack roles, its operational versatility may extend to maritime operations and support for amphibious assaults. This reflects a broader trend in modern military aviation, where platforms are increasingly expected to perform multi-role functions. Conclusion. The Z-21 helicopter exemplifies China's evolving military capabilities and strategic ambitions. Its development illustrates a complex interplay between adopting foreign technology and fostering domestic innovation. While its primary role may be as a heavy attack helicopter, its potential applications across various theaters of conflict highlight a flexible approach to military operations. As China continues to enhance its military aviation capabilities, the Z-21 symbolizes a significant leap forward in achieving a more formidable presence in both regional and global military dynamics. The Z-21 helicopter represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities, and while various reports have highlighted its design features and strategic implications, certain critical aspects are often overlooked. Below are some of these important details along with their significance. 1. Design influences and evolution. While many sources note that the Z-21 is heavily influenced by the American AH-64 Apache, the intricacies of its design evolution are often understated. The Z-21 is reportedly a product of merging technologies from both the Z-20 and Z-10 helicopters. Understanding this lineage is crucial as it illustrates China's methodical approach to developing its military aviation capabilities. The Z-20, known as a Black Hawk clone, brings utility features that enhance the Z-21's operational versatility. This design evolution reflects a strategy of learning from past designs and foreign technologies, which is significant in understanding the rapid advancements of China's military technology. 2. Role of self-defense systems. The Z-21's self-defense systems, highlighted briefly in reports, are essential for its operational effectiveness in contested environments. The upward-directed exhaust ports and infrared suppressors are not just minor design features, they are crucial for enhancing the helicopter's survivability against modern air defense systems. This aspect is significant because it indicates a growing awareness within the PLA of modern warfare's demands, particularly the need for stealth and survivability in combat scenarios, which could be critical in potential conflicts such as those in the Taiwan Strait or the South China Sea. 3. Strategic implications beyond Taiwan. While many discussions focus on the Z-21's role in a potential Taiwan conflict, its implications extend to other theaters such as the Himalayan border with India and littoral operations in the South China Sea. The Z-21's capabilities could significantly enhance rapid response and logistical support in these regions, addressing the PLA's need for versatility in various combat scenarios. Overlooking this aspect could lead to a narrow understanding of the Z-21's potential impact on regional security dynamics, particularly in a multipolar Asia where conflicts can arise from various fronts. 4. Technological advancements in Chinese aero engines. The reports frequently mention that the Z-21 may utilize the same engines as the Z-20, but the implications of advancements in Chinese aero engine technology are often underappreciated. The ability to produce more powerful and efficient engines is critical for the operational capabilities of the Z-21, especially when considering the performance limitations faced by earlier models like the Z-10. This technological progress not only enhances the Z-21's performance but also signifies a broader trend in Chinese military aviation, a move towards self-sufficiency and reduced reliance on foreign technology, which has significant implications for global military balance. 5. Integration with other military assets. The potential for the Z-21 to operate in conjunction with other military assets such as unmanned systems and naval platforms is another area that merits deeper examination. The Z-21 could support and be supported by drones for reconnaissance, targeting, and strike missions, enhancing its effectiveness on the battlefield. This integration aspect is significant in modern warfare where joint operations often determine the outcome of engagements. Acknowledging this capability could reshape perceptions of how the Z-21 fits into the broader strategy of the PLA. 6. Export potential. The discussions surrounding the Z-21 primarily focus on its role within the PLA, but its potential for export is often overlooked. As China seeks to bolster its defense industry and establish itself as a competitor in the global arms market, the Z-21 could become an attractive option for countries looking for modern attack helicopters. The implications of this extend beyond economic benefits for China. It could shift alliances and military balances in regions where these helicopters are sold, particularly in Asia and Africa. 7. Psychological warfare and deterrence. The introduction of the Z-21 can also be viewed through the lens of psychological warfare and deterrence. The mere existence of a modern heavy attack helicopter could serve as a tool for intimidation against regional adversaries. This aspect is often downplayed in technical discussions but is crucial in understanding how military capabilities are perceived and how they influence geopolitical dynamics. The Z-21's presence could serve as a signal of China's resolve in its territorial claims and military ambitions. Conclusion. In summary, the Z-21 helicopter is not merely a technical achievement but a multifaceted instrument of military strategy that reflects China's growing military capabilities and ambition. The nuances of its design, evolution, self-defense mechanisms, strategic applications beyond Taiwan, advancements in engine technology, integration with other military assets, export potential, and psychological impacts are significant factors that paint a more comprehensive picture of its importance. Understanding these elements provides valuable insights into the future of military aviation and geopolitical dynamics involving China. The analysis of the Z-21 helicopter, focusing on its historical context, current status, and future implications, reveals several valuable insights. Below are the four most valuable points for in-depth discussion. 1. Historical development and strategic necessity. The historical context surrounding the Z-21 underscores its significance in the evolution of China's military aviation capabilities. The PLA's long-standing need for a capable attack helicopter can be traced back to the early 1990s, where there was a consideration to acquire foreign designs such as the Mi-24 Hind. The eventual development of the Z-9WA and later the Z-10 marked a gradual but critical shift toward indigenous capabilities. The Z-21's introduction can be viewed as a culmination of this historical trajectory, reflecting China's ambitions to bolster its military aviation and enhance its operational readiness, particularly in light of rising tensions in regions such as Taiwan and the South China Sea. This historical perspective emphasizes the strategic necessity of the Z-21 not just as a weapon system, but as a symbol of China's growing self-sufficiency and military modernization. 2. Design influences and technological adaptations. The Z-21's design is heavily influenced by established models like the AH-64 Apache and Z-20, which highlights a trend in military aviation where nations adapt and modify existing successful designs to meet their strategic needs. The dual-seat configuration, tandem seating, and weapon capabilities signify a deliberate choice to enhance operational effectiveness. The integration of advanced self-defense systems and reduced infrared signatures showcases China's focus on survivability and adaptability in combat scenarios. This point invites discussion on the implications of design mimicry in military technology, the balance between innovation and adaptation, and how such influences shape the modern battlefield. 3. Future operational capabilities and strategic impact. Looking forward, the Z-21 is poised to significantly enhance the PLA's operational capabilities, particularly in potential conflict scenarios involving Taiwan and border tensions with India. Its ability to carry advanced weapon systems combined with its design for improved stealth and survivability positions it as a pivotal asset in multi-domain operations. Analysts suggest that the Z-21 could facilitate rapid troop movements and provide crucial air support in various combat environments, thereby transforming the PLA's approach to modern warfare. This point opens avenues for discussion on the geopolitical implications of the Z-21's deployment, its role in deterrence strategies, and the broader impact on regional security dynamics. 4. Technological and industrial implications. The development of the Z-21 not only reflects advancements in military aviation technology but also indicates a broader trend in China's defense industrial base. The collaborative efforts among domestic manufacturers like Harbin and Changhua in the Z-21's development demonstrate an integrated approach to defense production, which may enhance efficiency and innovation within China's military-industrial complex. This aspect raises critical questions about the implications of such developments for global defense markets, technology transfer between nations, and the potential for competition or collaboration in military technology. Additionally, the Z-21's anticipated service in the next few years highlights the accelerating pace of military modernization in China, compelling other nations to reassess their defense strategies in response to emerging capabilities. In summary, the Z-21 helicopter encapsulates significant themes in military history, design, evolution, operational strategy, and industrial capability, making it a crucial subject for further exploration and discourse on the future of military aviation and international security. 1. Soviet Mi-24 Hind helicopter. The Mi-24 is a Soviet-era helicopter introduced in the early 1970s as one of the most iconic attack helicopters in history. Known as the Hind. It was designed as a combination of an attack helicopter and a troop transport aircraft. The Mi-24 was heavily used in various conflicts including the Soviet-Afghan War, where it showcased its versatility and effectiveness. Its design influenced many countries including China, which sought to develop its own attack helicopter capabilities similar to the Hind. 2. American AH-64 Apache helicopter. The AH-64 Apache is perhaps the most famous attack helicopter globally, first entering service in the U.S. Army in 1986. It was designed for anti-armor engagements and close air support, featuring advanced avionics and weaponry. The Apache's success in various conflicts including the Gulf War and the war in Afghanistan has established it as a benchmark for attack helicopter design and operational capabilities. The Z-21's design draws significant inspiration from the Apache, highlighting its role as a key reference point in modern military aviation. 3. Russian Ka-50 Black Shark. The Kamov Ka-50, introduced in the late 1980s, is a single-seat attack helicopter known for its unique coaxial rotor design, which provides exceptional maneuverability and performance. It was developed to engage armored targets and provide close air support. The Ka-50's innovative design and capabilities have influenced the development of attack helicopters worldwide, including China's Z-21. Its ability to operate effectively in different combat environments showcases the evolving nature of helicopter warfare and the importance of design in meeting operational demands. The future outlook for China's Z-21 helicopter presents a fascinating convergence of technological advancement, military strategy, and geopolitical implications. As the People's Liberation Army (PLA) continues to modernize its aerial capabilities, the Z-21 is poised to play a pivotal role in reshaping China's military operations and responses to regional threats. Technological advancements. The Z-21 is expected to incorporate advanced technologies that enhance its combat effectiveness and survivability. These may include: 1. Enhanced avionics. The integration of sophisticated avionics systems will allow for improved situational awareness and targeting capabilities. This includes advanced radar and sensor suites similar to those found in the AH-64 Apache. 2. Improved weapon systems. The Z-21 is likely to carry a diverse array of modern weaponry, including precision-guided munitions, anti-tank missiles, and air-to-air missiles, broadening its engagement options against various targets. 3. Stealth features. With design elements aimed at reducing its radar and infrared signatures, the Z-21 will enhance its survivability in contested environments, making it a formidable opponent against advanced air defense systems. For engine and rotor technology, utilizing the same engine and rotor systems as the Z-20 will streamline production and improve performance, particularly in high altitude and hot environments, addressing historical power limitations faced by Chinese helicopters. Strategic implications. The introduction of the Z-21 is not merely about technological prowess, it is deeply entwined with China's strategic objectives. Key areas of focus include: 1. Taiwan and regional tensions. The Z-21 is likely to be a critical component in any military strategy aimed at Taiwan. Its capabilities will enhance China's ability to conduct joint operations and rapid strikes, reinforcing deterrence and offensive postures in the Taiwan Strait. 2. South China Sea operations. In the context of ongoing territorial disputes in the South China Sea, the Z-21 will provide the PLA with enhanced air support for maritime operations, potentially supporting island-building initiatives and asserting control over contested areas. 3. Border security and India relations. The helicopter's deployment along the line of actual control with India will bolster China's rapid response capabilities in border confrontations, facilitating troop movements and providing air support in mountainous terrains. For export potential, As China's military aviation technology matures, the Z-21 could also be positioned for export, enhancing China's influence in global defense markets and providing allies with modern aerial capabilities. Timeline for operational readiness. Predictions suggest that the Z-21 could enter service as early as 2024 to 2026, depending on the pace of development and testing. This timeline reflects China's urgency to field a more capable attack helicopter to supplement the existing fleet of Z-10 and Z-19 helicopters. Conclusion. The future of the Z-21 helicopter is emblematic of China's broader aspirations to reshape its military capabilities and assert its position on the global stage. By integrating advanced technologies, enhancing operational capabilities, and aligning with strategic military objectives, the Z-21 is set to become a vital asset for the PLA. Its introduction will likely have profound implications for regional security dynamics, particularly in the context of Taiwan, the South China Sea, and relations with India. The coming years will be crucial as the Z-21 transitions from concept to operational reality, fundamentally altering the landscape of military aviation in China.